Welcome. I introduce myself. I am Vijay Nimbalkar, working as a senior faculty in Electronics Department in Government Polytechnic, Mumbai. My topic is network security. Now, let us see what are different outcomes of this topic. Learning outcomes of this topic. First outcome is define network security, network services in network security. Second one is understand types of network services. Now, first we will see network security definition. Network security is any activity designed to protect the usability and integrity of your network and data. Integrity means originality. This is very simple definition of network security. Network security requires different network security services which are very important. We will see next these network security services. Network security services are very important because they all enhances the security of data and information transfers. There are variety of security services. That means there are different types of security services which are confidentiality, authentication, integrity, non-repudiation, access control and availability. We will learn one by one after this. First one is confidentiality. Confidentiality means that the content of a message when transmitted across a network must remain confidential. That is, only the intended receiver and no one else should be able to read the message. That means message sent by source entity is readable only to respective destination. Next security service is authentication. That is message authentication. In message authentication, the receiver needs to be sure of the sender's identity. That is, the receiver has to make sure that the actual sender is the same as claimed to be. That means whatever message received by receiver is sent by required source entity. Next security service is whatever integrity. But before seeing this, we have a reflection point. That means you have a one question which is differentiate between confidentiality service and authentication service. You have to write answer of this question in your notebook. Take 2 minutes. In short, answer of this question is that confidentiality service makes the message unreadable to unauthorized entity, whereas authentication service deny access of the message to unauthorized entity. Now, next service, that is integrity. Integrity means the data must reach the destination without any alteration, that is exactly as it was sent. There must be no changes during transmission, neither accidentally nor maliciously. That means whenever message sent by source and this message received by respective receiver is the same, that is having no change. Next, security services, non-repudiation. Non-repudiation means that a sender must not be able to deny sending a message that it actually sent. That means this service provides that sender always agree about sent message by him. Next service is access control, that is prevention of the unauthorized use of a resource. That means this service avoids use of resources by unauthorized entity. And last one, security services availability, source accessible, usable. That means only authorized entity will get resources for use. Thus, in this topic, we learn what is security, what are different security services. Thank you.